Hello, my name is Joe DeCold, and I'd like to begin by talking about food security. Despite its massive size, the global food market is primarily sourced from three different plants. Corn, wheat, and rice represent two-thirds of the world's caloric intake. Two-thirds! And every single year, up to 25% of these crops are lost due to stalk lodging. Stalk lodging is the breaking of a plant's stem prior to its harvest. This phenomenon inflicts billions in damages every single year, and it further perpetuates food insecurity. This problem is extremely complex and difficult to solve. As a result of its complexity, traditional methods of agronomists and farmers are reaching a point of diminishing return. At the AgMech Lab, the breadth of our solution addresses the complexity of this problem. We start by collecting data from thousands of different stalks. We measure their strength and their geometry, and then find out which parts of those relate to lodging. After we know which factors relate to lodging, we find the sources of those factors, and then the genetic or environmental control of those sources. With those known, we're able to breed stocks that are more resistant to lodging. In other words, we use machines to gather data, we apply math and statistics to that data, and then we effectively reduce lodging and create more food. What I want to zero in on is this device in the bottom left. This is the Darling, and the Darling is an integral part of that first process. It's specifically designed to collect strength data in the foundation of our solution. Shown here on the right, you can see it being used at our field testing location in Clemson. I pitched to travel down there earlier this year, and the trip happened and was a great success. We were able to improve our data collection process, field test our design changes, and speak with our clients one-on-one. That trip down to visit our clients was very helpful and productive. We applied the feedback they gave as well as our experience to developing a new design for this device. With this design, we believe our product is ready to become in the hands of the customer. Here's the rub. We have 2 out of the big 6 seed companies who have seen this, tested it, and who want it. We have the design work done, we have it ready to go, but at U of I, we don't have the bandwidth or the legality to actually sell this thing. The plan is develop an organization that outsources the manufacturing as well as the licensing for this product, and provides seed companies and researchers with both high-level and economical versions of this device. The last missing piece of this is the documentation to outsource manufacturing. We don't have the resources to meet the demand here at U of I, and the demand isn't large enough to justify starting a manufacturing company. With this package, though, we'll be able to start a side hustle that meets the demand and can grow into something more. This is the last piece. Thank you for your time. I hope to see you in the next round.